Thanks for tuning in. This is Greg, and I appreciate your time, which I know you're going to have a lot less of starting today. So I want to teach you how to access the online modules through bCourses that will help you get ready for field. So you go to bcourses.berkeley.edu, you do your CalNet login username and your passphrase. It'll probably ask for a second authentication. And then you should come into a home screen that's going to look a little bit like what you see in front of you. This is my dashboard. So the field preparation online modules are loaded on the tile that has the safety first, so you can last sign. And so you click on the tile and wait a second and it'll open. I'm going to look at it from a student view just so it'll look a little closer to what you'll see. So you'll see that module 1 is loaded here. That is the module for this week. And you will see that there are chapters in the module that are denoted by the Roman numerals. So for chapter 1 here, you can either watch a webinar, which is 30 minutes in length, or you can print the PowerPoint and listen to a 30-minute recording. It's the same exact thing. It's just here you have a visual, here you have audio only. So let's just say that you prefer to do the webinar. You click here. A lot of things, particularly YouTube clips, don't load. So you go up to the top here where the title appears. You click on it, and it will actually open it in a new tab. So that's the best way to do that. All right. So after you finish chapter 1, overview of legal and ethical standards in California, you go down and you take quiz questions. The questions aren't meant to be trick questions. They're just to help you review. They're scored, but really, if you don't get the right answer, then you learn that way as well. So there isn't a passing score, but you do need to take the questions in order to complete the module. That's how I know you've completed it. Chapter 2, informed consent. You'll see that it tells you how long it will take. You might want to take a quick break between modules. Some of the links are videos. For example, this is a video. Some of them, like this one, is actually a link to a 55-page handout, which will take you a while to read. So some are just very quick things that you access. Others may take a little more time to review. Once you review all the resources in sequence, you take the quiz questions. Chapter 3, very brief, 15 minutes. Watch a quick video, 2 quick videos actually, take some questions. And then the final module is, or chapter rather, is a little bit lengthier. It's on confidentiality. And so you will hear about that, read something on HIPAA, and then you'll read all about the exceptions to confidentiality in California. And these are quite important. And then there's a number of quiz questions for you to take. Finally, there's resources. So things like your county child protective services, reporting hotlines, a really good resource on suicide assessment here. And then you take quiz questions. If you have any questions for me that are not answered in the module, you can post them here and I'll respond. You evaluate the module and you're done. And then you can move on to module 2, which I believe is going to be due, let's see, I think it is the 13th of September, and module 3, the final module, which is down here. Let's see, module 3, that's due September 20th. So I do ask that you complete all modules on the timeline, and we do not allow students to start field placement until they've completed the modules. And if you have questions about the modules, you can bring them to Field Seminar, or you can post them onto the discussion board, or feel free to approach me or email me. Thanks so much for your time and attention. Hopefully these will help you.